Hey y'all. So this is going to be probably a fairly quick live stream. I'm joined by Alexi today, who's a computer programmer from Toronto, also in Canada, leading Roald Dahl series. Anyways, sorry, distractions. So yeah, I'm just going to post the release vote for Spark 313. And I'm going to talk a little bit about why it's important and sort of what the procedure is that we follow. And yeah, hopefully you can understand a little bit more about how we do open source in a project like Spark, where there's so many different people at so many different companies. Oh, I'm also going to make sure that the stream is working. Yeah, okay, that looks like it is. Looks like it is. Okay, so let's get the party started. So I'm lazy, so I tend to start by taking like the previous release message and using that as a basis. So this is what we do. Now I'm going to change this. Oh, actually, I already did that part. Okay. So, so, we want 3, February. What time is it? It's noon. Is it noon? Yeah, it's about 1 p.m. Okay. Is it the 1st today? Okay, yeah, it's February 1st. So 72 hours. I think I want to say, and okay, let's 1 p.m. PST to UTC. Yeah, okay. Cool. So I'm going to double check this is true. Let's see if there are any open issues targeting Spark 313. So we go to Jira, specifically the ASF Jira. I'm going to log in because I have a saved filter that's closer to what I want. id.apache.org. We used to have separate passwords for everything. Thankfully, that's no longer the case. Oh, looks up to me. Yay! Hey, Tyler. Yay! Friends from school. That's such a long time. Okay, so, as we see, I have a bunch of, like, save filters here. I think the last one was I was looking at 3.0 blockers. Okay, so I am. Let's go ahead, actually. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this project Spark. And just to make sure, I'll drop off the end status. Cool. Is this the right version? I think so. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Um, hmm. Or fix versions equals 3, 1, 3. Huh. Okay. Fix version. There we go. Cool. So these are all fixed. That's great. Um, yeah. Um, yeah. You can see the issues. Oh, cool. Hey, another friend. What is this question? Is proficiency in Scala mandatory to get into Netflix, or is Python sufficient? It depends on the role. And like, I'm not a Netflix spokesperson per se, but there are many people at Netflix who don't know Scala. But they obviously work in projects where they don't need to know Scala. Yeah, you can see the result issues for 313 by searching. Um, oh yeah, I like my walking treadmill, and it's totally fine for non-spark questions. It is, I want to say, I think it's this one. There are many more affordable alternatives nowadays. Um, yeah, like this one looks pretty cool. When there's a coupon. The downside of it is the app is kind of annoying, but it's nice. Okay. So now we go back over here by searching. Yeah, and then we go ahead and we grab the yeah. I think everyone has the Zombie one because it's just what was available back when we couldn't go to gyms anymore. Um, dude, issues. No open issues targeting 313 in Sparks. Jira. Okay. 313 RC. Cool. And let's get the commit. For that, I want to copy that. Um, yeah. Human 3, RC2. That's right. Okay, great. Good. Over here, this just changes every time. So you just have to go and browse the Nexus list to get it. There's probably a better way, but yeah. Uh, hmm. Interesting. Oh. Huh. I can make a short URL. Okay. Hmm. I go ahead and I go search and I hit save as. It's all for 313. Ah, because I give it a name, it gets a filter ID, and the filter IDs are not a party. Okay. So let's go to s.apache.org and we can turn that into a short link. Okay. Okay, so this is the short link. Click on that, make sure that does go where we expect it to. Great. I want it to be not HTML mail. And then, so we'll get rid of that. And what we'll do is I'll also make this into a short link as well, because that sounds useful. S dot. Cool. Oh, right, once again, I don't want fancy HTML mail, I want regular mail. Okay. Let's make sure the docs got published. There was some difficulty with the docs the first time I tried publishing this. Cool. That looks great. Let's click cloud integration. Yeah, that looks about right. Okay, cool. Which tag was I on when I made this release? That's a good question. This release was using the release script. Master as of the Docker container was rebuilt. Since the previous version. didn't, the release Docker container didn't have the necessary components to build the R documentation. How can I help test this release? Okay, there's a new one. What happens to RC1? When I first went to build RC1, the build process failed due to the lack of R markdown in my markdown package in my local RM container. By the time I had time to debug and rebuild, already another commit in branch 3.1, so I decided there's already another bug fix commit in branch 3.1, so I decided to skip ahead to RC2 and pick it up directly. Now, the other thing that I want to do is make sure okay, so this is going to be retargeted for 3.1.4. Let's make sure that this is targeted to 3.1.4 correctly. My guess is probably not. Yeah, edit. Uh, 3.1.4. And you are going to 3.1.3. Unless this is a correctness issue. Fuck. Yeah. I could actually. What happened? Okay, honestly, we're gonna change this to what happened to RC1 and RC2. And we're gonna switch this to RC3. Yeah. When I went to go send the RC2 vote email, I noticed a correctness issue. Been fixed in branch 3.1. So we'll actually have to change this. Whoop. And this is going to be RC3. This is almost certainly going to have to be updated. Oh, damn it. Oh well. Okay, and well, it's actually not going to happen. I'm not going to be able to send this out in time, so I'm going to push this back 2 hours to 3 p.m. Push this back another 2 hours, and then what we'll do. Hmm, Oop, huh. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. What am I doing? I don't remember. There's so many things I'm doing. Oh yeah, okay. Repos, Spark. Then we go ahead, do release Docker. Except we're not gonna do as finalize. Okay. Snuggle love. Ooh, spammer. Report. Okay, report. Branch is going to be branch 3.1. Release is 3.13. RC is 3. And this is going to take a while. Because that's how it goes. Okay, cool. So, in that case, actually what I'll do is I'm going to go back to this Jira that I pointed out to 3.14, and I'm actually going to pull it back to 3.13 because I am going to target this to 3.13 because it is a correctness issue. And like, really, what's an extra 2 hours? It's not a big deal. You can wait those 2 hours. Would you drink more coffee if I made another pot of coffee? Fuck yeah. Oh, okay, yeah, that's a good idea. I'll make a pot of coffee and I'll drink water while the coffee's made so I don't pass out from dehydration. Ooh, damn. Okay. Yeah, so I was gonna post 313 RC2, but we didn't because we found this correctness issue. And that's bad, right? Like Hive transform script with order by and limit will return fake rows. That could cause someone to actually have production issues. So we should fix that. But that is going to take like 2 hours, and I don't really have a well. I've got a bunch of like other things to do for the next 2 hours, but I don't have like a big open source plan for the next 2 hours. I've got a bunch of internal stuff I need to deal with. So I'm going to wrap up now. Thanks so much, Sam and Pushpanth and Tyler for chatting. It's always great when people join. So thank you, and I hope everyone has a lovely day. You know what the process looks like now. It's just I'm gonna have to do it all over again tonight, really quickly, once the build finishes. But thanks everyone for joining. Have a good one. Oh wait, there we go. Bye.